What's the most difficult part about learning English?
I have no friends or foreign friends to practice with and to talk with. I just self-learning. I just learn English by myself by the apps or HelloTalk.
Is this your first time joining a
Hi.
live stage?
Yes, it's the first time to join the
Welcome
live
to
stream.
the live stream.
Thank you. You are the first live streamer who I talk with. Thank you for the
You
chance.
are in good hands.
Good hands? Oh, I see. I'm lucky, right?
This is a figurative of speech. In good hands means that person will take care of you.
Thank you. I want to say another thing. I'm jobless now, and maybe I'm being out of a job for a long time. So I think I'm going through my tough time. So I learn English every day. Fortunately, I have a large amount of time to learn English.
You are spending your time wisely by trying your best to improve your English, and at the same time, you can improve other areas of your life when you are ready.
Yes, for my job and for my future.
Circumstance hardens and trains people. You are in a trial and you are being tested. This will refine you and make you stronger. Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?